we will look at an example of a typical email sequence to contact your manufacturer after you have reviewed your product sample and chosen your supplier. When messaging the supplier, I like to say we instead of I to give the appearance that my company sounds larger than a one-man operation. This can also make you appear more serious and likely to do business. You may notice some of the text and wording from the supplier may sound a little off. This is because the supplier is not a native English speaker, so keep your words simple when messaging the manufacturer. The first message we will send after reviewing your product sample will let them know you have chosen to select their product and also to get more information to proceed with the order. We will also ask about pricing for our inventory quantity and for our customized products. The product I was purchasing for the email sequence in this example was for fruit infuser water bottles, so you may notice many references to bottles in the messages. So now let's take a look at the first email message you will be sending to your chosen manufacturer. The main purpose for the first message is to let the supplier know that you've selected their product and chosen to continue doing business with them. So your first message after receiving the sample should be something like this. Start with hello, then put the supplier name, then say we have received and reviewed the product sample. We are very impressed with the quality of the product. Your company has great communication and prompt service. We would like to order a first trial order of 500 units of the white color, then put the product number, bottles. You want to put the product number to make sure they know exactly the product you're talking about. Then we can add more information saying, for the bottle, the logo will be one color, white, and this is because one color is usually cheaper. For the packaging, we would like a full colored logo, and we will also print a UPC barcode onto the packaging. You can use the barcode that you purchased from GS1 or Speedy Barcodes, or if you like, you can skip ahead and go to the section where you get your Amazon SKU and have the supplier print that on the actual product. This is the route I usually take since I'm only selling my physical products on Amazon. Then we continue with how much per unit to add our brand logo to the bottles and the packaging. Look forward to working with your company. Kind regards, then put your name. Now let's look at a typical supplier response for the first email. They replied with, hello, my name. Thanks for your satisfaction with the quality of our product. I suggest you increase the quantity to be 1,000 pieces. The price for 1,000 pieces is much cheaper than 500. For example, the FOB or free on board charge is $600. For 1,000 pieces is 60 cents per item, but for 500 pieces, the unit price would be $1.20 per item. Given this information, I decided to go with 1,000 pieces. Then she writes, please kindly see the below offer. A one color logo template charge is $200. For 500 pieces, I will be paying $5.02 per piece with the logo added, which comes to a total of $2,710. But for 1,000 pieces, I get double the inventory and it's $3.69 per item, and the total amount would be $3,890. So I would pretty much double my inventory size for only $1,000 more. Then she says that the above quotation is for one color logo on the body of the bottle and the UPC barcode on the packaging. Please let me know which quantity you would like to choose, and kind regards. I'll see you in the next video for my response to this message. Hey, Jason here with Quantum Courses, and I wanted to thank you for stopping by. Go ahead and hit the like button on the video and subscribe to Quantum Courses to get updated when we release new content. To get the full private label masterclass where I'll walk you step by step through the entire process, head over to jasongandy.org and use promo code SITE10 for a special discount during checkout. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you in the course.